Today we have on my workbench a Xilinx Spartan 3A development board. As you can see here, it is emulating a WPC CPU board, which we see on over here. This is a WPC CPU board, the DCS version. The CPU chip is here, the ROM would go there, the RAM, the ASIC, and all the glue logic around it. That's a standard WPC board. Most of those items have been reverse engineered and then put into this FPGA. All except the ROM. The ROM itself is sitting over here. In this case, a Twilight Zone ROM. And these items have been connected up via this ribbon cable to a X-pin LED dot matrix board. That is a result of a previous collaboration with X-pin and myself. We see it's in display test. As you can see here, there's the logo of the company, edchung.com and X-pin. Anyway, so that shows that this board, this FPGA, is driving the dot matrix. And also this board is running is a Twilight Zone ROM, and I can now switch over to that now. And what you see now is the Twilight Zone ROM running on that FPGA in a track mode, talking to the dot matrix. So this shows both the WPC CPU and the dot matrix board from a traditional WPC system combined into one FPGA, along with the ROM on the side. And they're driving this dot matrix in the track mode.